Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to snooze your Android device notifications. It's a great option for Android devices. Whenever you hold your phone and sometimes you get a lot of notifications from different apps and you want to read or check these notifications but not now. You want to check it later and afraid also you can miss any important notification. So here is the settings. You can view your notification later. You will tap on notification. You will save for seeing later. And here you can set the time to view your notifications later. Here is the option for seeing your notification letters. So how to get it? Let's open your phone settings. And here tap on notification bar. Now tap on advanced settings. And here is an option show snooze button. It will be disabled by default, so you have to enable it. After enabling this option, you can view this icon and can view your notifications later. This is the best option I'm using on Android for saving your notification to view later. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.